Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. So all the teachers in this unprecedented crisis, we are coming up and connecting towards you through our video classes and all, and I hope all of you are enjoying it and watching the videos properly. So I very much thank you for all the students who are watching all the videos, doing their classworks, sending their homeworks, etc., etc. And please don't come out of your home, stay at home to keep yourself safe. Okay, today we come up here, I came up here to take the class of class 7 SST, and I choose a topic today to discuss this structure of atmosphere. Today we are going to discuss structure of atmosphere. So basically we have all learned about the structure of atmosphere. We have studied it in the previous classes also, but today we are going to discuss it detail wise. What is the structure of atmosphere? See, we are living in an earth where there are 5 kinds of structures. Structure of atmosphere. So today we are going to discuss each and every things or each and every structure. First of all, to understand it better, let me draw something here. Suppose, assume that this is the earth. So this is the first layer. The first layer is troposphere, which is the first layer of the atmosphere, and it extends from the surface of the earth to 15 kilometers. That means if we catch from here, it has a range of 15 kilometers. Means it extends up to 15 kilometers from the ground of the surface of the earth to 15 kilometers. The first layer covers up, that is called troposphere. Also, in this layer, mostly all the environmental disturbance happens in this layer. Environmental disturbance means rainfall, snowfall, precipitation, etc., etc. Everything happens in this layer itself. Also, you look up at the sky, you saw some aircraft fly. This aircraft also fly in this layer. The layer is troposphere, which extends up to 15 kilometers from the surface of the earth. Also, one more interesting thing that it comes up here is that the more you travel outside, the more the temperature falls down. That means if you go from here and if you start going upwards, the temperature will fall. It will fall by 1 degree Celsius per 165 meter. I hope you have understood. Next come the the second layer. So, okay, next layer is stratosphere. In this layer, we don't have any kind of environmental disturbance. Means no clouds, nothing, no dust particles, no water vapor, nothing. And it extends from ground surface to up to about 50 kilometers. From the earth surface, it extends from the earth surface to about 50 kilometers. As because it does not have any kind of environmental disturbance, most of the jet fighter of the Air Force fly over this layer, and its temperature varies from 50 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius. That means from bottom to top. From bottom you will find a high temperature, and from as far as you go, you will find that the temperature is decreasing, and it decreases up to 0 degrees Celsius. Alright, now we shall go to the next layer. Next layer we have mesosphere. In this sphere, you can see it extends from 50 kilometers to 80 kilometers, and here the temperature will start from 0 degree Celsius to minus 100 degrees Celsius. Means temperature will fall down. Alright. Again, in this layer, in the upper part, we can say this part. In this part we have a primary sphere, which is known as mesopause. What happened in this layer? In this layer, up to the part of this layer, the temperature will start rising. Means up to that much of layer we can see that the temperature will fall. But after that layer, mesopause, the temperature will start rising again, and it will rise very rapidly. Alright, now we shall discuss the next sphere. Okay students, now we have here thermosphere. Thermosphere is a part of this structure of atmosphere in which it covers a distance of 80 km to 600 km. Means it extends, from 80 km to 600 km. Alright. And in this layer there is no such environmental disturbance. Means nothing, no environment, no precipitation, no air, no nothing. And one more thing which is very interesting is that in this layer the temperature rises very rapidly. Very rapidly means starting from the boundary of thermosphere, the more you go upward, the more the temperature rises, and it may rise up to 1700 degrees Celsius. Means it is extremely hot. Why it is extremely hot? Because it pulls or it sucks the heat of the sun. That is why the temperature here in this layer is very much high. Alright, now we shall discuss the next layer of atmosphere. Okay students, now we are going to our next structure of atmosphere, that is exosphere. This exosphere, the boundary limits of this exosphere can't be described. Means there is no specific boundary between thermosphere and exosphere. Means where thermosphere ends, from here exosphere starts, there is no specific boundary. In the other layer we have a specific boundary. Suppose like troposphere, it starts from the surface of the earth to 15 km. Next, stratosphere we have 15 km to 50 km. Next we have mesosphere from 50 km to 80 km. Like this, there is no specific boundary of exosphere. It is said that above 600 km, whatever layer is there, every layer comes under this exosphere. And in this layer, there is no such limits, there is no such boundary limits, and all this layer of atmosphere are equally important for our nature. Why it is important? Or for our earth. Why it is important? Because all this layer saves the environment, saves the earth from various space hazard. What kind of space hazard I mean to say? It saves us from UV rays, ultraviolet rays which comes from the sun. Secondly, it saves us from the comets. Next we can say meteor showers, asteroids, etc., etc., which may enter to the surface of the earth, and if it does so, it will be a great destruction. It will cause a great destruction. That is why all this layer protect us from the hazard of the space. I hope all of you have understood the layer of atmosphere. In the next video, we shall discuss about weather and climate of the earth. So, we be prepared for it, and if you find any kind of confusion regarding this structure of atmosphere, you can talk to us. Alright? Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.